So this is what I'm gonna do. Balik mo na. Okay lang po. Okay lang po.
Hi mga ka-penny!
I love it!
Let's punit the sun! Wow! And ready to fight!
Hello, sir.
Hi mga ka-petty! Welcome back to another Bea Daily! Pagod na ako. Mas lalo na to. Pero siya guys, dire-diretso ang laban niya. Of course, Ate April. Hi, Ate April. And of course, si G. Ano ba? I'm very busy. Lucky. Cool work. Ayan, I had 8 AM class a while ago. Nag-presentations kami ng groupmate ko for final. Now, I'm preparing lang for a very lifestyle shoot sa SM. Super love working with SM Supermarket. Yung time ko na itong work sa kanila. So, thank you so much, Ate Carla, for, you know, for always getting me. Huy! Hi, Char! Ate Carla! Hi, I'm getting married! Yan na naman tayo. Hindi mo talaga pinatapos
Talaga?
na eh. Ate Carla, ano na finalize na natin?
Hello, sir.
Hello po. Pwede po akong royalties na share.
May binato!
Tara, kain tayo ng binato.
Guys, if you know me, you know how much I love binato. I love it.
Guys, ang tagal ko itong pinili. Sawa ka na ba ito sa binato? Bro, yan dami nilang stocks ng binato. Ito na this one.
Pakita mo yung action.
I like this better. Ay, ang cute! Hala, ang ganda ko talaga. Ay, ang feeler. Ay, ang cute. Ikaw, sisig.
Sa 5, 3, 2, 1. Check natin.
No. Not yet. Get the wallet here. What do you think?
Kunin natin yung malayo muna.
So, pagka malayo, pakita.
Oh. Saan nakatingin dito? 3, 2, and 1. Naglagay ako ng allowance kasi sa ID. Hindi ako super kukuha.
Sige, kunin mo yan.
Free daw. May 50 daw siyang shopping credit. So, ako nagagamit.
Hindi ko kasi kini-claim. So, si Gio. Go, Gio.
Magpahakot all you can ka na lang.
No! Oh my God! Lagpas 5K yan. Kuya Kurt, ikaw gusto mo?
Abonado pa siya.
I know paulit-ulit na, but I really won't stop getting sawa, nor makakalimutan ko pong magpasalamat sa inyong mga kapeti, cause I really wouldn't be who I am right now without you guys. You guys are really a big part sa career ko. So thank you so much mga kapeti. I love you all so much. I'm getting so emotional right now saying this, but you guys don't know how grateful I am for y'all. Sana napapanood nyo pa rin hanggang here. But yeah, anyways, I also want to thank the people around me. Ayan, si Mama G, si Justin, and the brands who I'm with. Also, kay Kuya Kurt, kay Kuya Dave, sa inyo pong lahat. Alam niyo po yan na sobra akong grateful sa inyo. And yes, guys, being a social media influencer is a real job. Kaya, if you want to be one, don't be afraid to post that video. Don't be afraid na pagtatawanan ka. Because if you really want to make it big, yun po talaga yung katotohanan. That's the truth talaga. People will laugh at you. People will look down at you. But you have to believe in yourself. Because if you won't believe in yourself, who else would? Wow! Words of wisdom by Baby. So yeah, anyways, I just really wanted to say thank you. That's it, and enjoy the rest of the video, mga kapeti. Hi mga kapeti! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And before I start this video, syempre, dahil tayo ay alipin ng salapi, alipin ng pera. Charot! So, dapat ganyan ng mindset. Tayo ay mag-haul ang Lovito. Kasi, I love Lovito. Ang ganda ng mga pinapadala nilang clothes. So, let's go! Haul po tayo ng Lovito. So, if y'all haven't noticed, I love neutrals. I've been really loving neutrals, and I'm very girly. That's why I got this button down dress. It's just so cute. It's so feminine, and it hugs my body perfectly. This is so cute, mga kapeti. And of course, I put the code. Next is I got this white dress. It's so cute. It's so feminine. I can see myself wearing this like sa Sunday with my family, and there's a cute little bow detail sa back. Guys, reminder lang na if you want to check out these clothes, you can use my code LovitoBea for 100 off and other discounts. Kaya mag-check out na kayo sa Shopee. O, diba? Like, sino ka dyan, sis? She an angel or whatever? She a virgin girly or whatever? Oh my god, okay, this has to be my favorite item. It looks so bougie, but it's so mura. And if hindi nyo talaga napansin, I really love the color white. And ang ganda talaga ng quality niya. And it has pockets. Nakita nyo naman. I love it. It's very giving. It really looks expensive. Kaya I think ito yung pinaka-favorite ko out of all the clothes I showed you guys. Obog, in-game na naman siya sa ganda-gandahan. Thanks, Lovito. Okay, next is this Semi turtleneck top. Again, it's color white or cream or nude, whatever. Basta it's in that shade. And I really do love it. Mapipair ko to sa kahit ano, guys. Kaya ang ganda niya talaga. Fave ko din talaga to. Sorry, I can't pick a fake. Okay, lastly is this button-down polo. I don't know if y'all noticed, but before ayoko talaga nagsusuot ng mga long sleeves. So, badera ako, pero ngayon gusto ko na talaga kino-coffee yung self ko. Kaya, diba? Turtleneck at saka polo na nga ang atake. Ayan, I love it. And for a change, nag-color green ako. Siyempre, hindi tayo magpapahuli sa mga discount. Kaya, if you want to, get discount, just go to Shopee and then type LovitoBea and then press the banner ng Lovito and then boom, just claim it. Enjoy the rest of the video! Hi mga kapeti, so today is, what day is it today?
May 9.
It's May 9. I think natapos kami ng 11 kagabi. Right now we're in BGC because I have an event for TikTok and ayoko na kasing lumayo. Nag-check-in na lang ako. Dito kami sa Seda. Dapat sa Siang, but then I don't know what happened kung ba't hindi kami sa Siang. So yeah, we're just waiting to check in. And then mag-event na ako. So guys, in-upgrade kami for free. Joke lang lang. But sabi, bibigyan niya daw tayo ng corner room para daw maganda yung view.
Building. Yung natin yung pinagawa na kanina corner.
Let's see. Hindi ako nag-sweet eh. Ngayon lang ako nag-sweet, guys. Ano na? Okay lang.
Wait. Okay.
Cute. So yan, dito kami. Let's see mo na bathroom. Ay, ang laki ng CR. Ang ganda mag-shoot dito ng content. No? Ganda mag-shoot ng content dito, guys.
There, I saw it na.
But yeah, dito kami dito ang bahay namin kasi wala eh. Nagsasama na kami. Joke lang. For today is modern Filipiniana, mga kapeti. Yan. Kahapon, very soft girl. Ngayon, modern Filipiniana. And hindi ako linagyan ng Dior na blush na pink. Justin.
Maiba naman.
Maiba naman. Akala ko he was just kidding, but turns out, it's true, hindi niya talaga ako linagyan. Kaya parang naghihina ako ngayon, guys.
Hindi sino-sino sa event. Sinisipon ko lagi pagka sa eyeliner feeling ko lang.
Eyeliner?
Kasi
pero compare mo sa kumari galing ka sa QC, malaki na ito. Mga kababae ko. I'm ready na. Hindi na ako pwede mag-inerte guys because I'm late. Let's go. Lagi na lang ako late. Let's go. I don't have a bag, so this is what I'm gonna do. Kumasya siya. Kumasya siya. I love it. Let's go. Let's go. So late na. We're here. Wow. And ready to fight. Ay, at least papasok akong maganda. Let's go. Hi po kayo sa vlog ko. And I made it, guys. But I'm so late. Oh my God.
Oy, sabay-sabay na tayo, babe.
Thank you. Thank you.
The Bayan family of foundations, 917 Ventures, and more in the March Buy Local, Shop Local campaign.
Miss Nina, can you say hi to my vlog?
Our media partnerships also play a vital role in raising awareness and promoting the incredible work of our merchants, like our featured sellers Camu for Men and Josefina's Homemade Food, further expanding their reach to consumers. In total, TikTok Shop Business School's one-day work.
Happy 6-6 indeed, thanks to the A-team as well as our 6-6 brand ambassador.
Mag-hi ka naman po sa vlog. Hi mga kapet. I love it! Let's punit the sun. Bye-bye po. Hi Ate Chef. Hi mga kapet. I love it. I want very turon with Bear Brand. Pwede ba i-live selling ko yung turon? 12, di ba 12 pesos yun? Tapos kapag i-live selling ko siya, 9 pesos with Bear Brand.
Ang nasa basket mo ay yung Bear Brand.
Ah, okay. Pwede naman. So guys, si Ate She ang nagpupush sa akin mag-live sell. And I love live selling din because of her. So, thank you, Ate Shell. Isa kang malaking parte sa growth ko.
Uy! Makaka-20 kayo dyan. Hindi ganun yun.